Go where?
Go build.
Go build? Oh, hello, Chase. How's it going, dude?
Good.
Good. What do you have for us today?
Lloyd BrickHeadz.
It's cool.
Who's Lloyd from?
Ninjago.
Isn't that Lloyd, not Lloyd?
Yeah.
Lloyd.
Lovely.
All right. So you're gonna open this here, unbox this for us, and show us how cool this brickhead is.
Yeah,
Wait,
and Noah maybe did Sensei Wu on video. I don't know.
Sensei Wu?
Yeah.
Well, I helped him build that Christmas morning, and I can confirm that he did not build that on video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Lloyd has no teeth, no hair, and he cannot talk, according to Garmin.
Okay.
Well, he can't talk.
You ready to get started, Chase Man?
And his hair.
All right. Well, here we go. Very cool, Chase Man. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I even changed the arm like here, and it's facing like he's going to fight.
Oh, nice. So you moved his arm so it's like actually holding it up as opposed to the side. Now that's cool. That's pretty cool.
It actually comes with the sword, what the Lloyd usually is.
Oh, that's right, from the Ninjago movie, Lloyd's.
Yeah.
I like it. Now, these are cool. These are remind me of what would be Lego's rendition of the Funko Pop characters, but it's very cool, bud. Very cool. You gonna get any more of these?
Even look, it has a headband.
I see that. Very, very nice. Very nice. All right, dude. Well, thank you very much for sharing. Do you have any final words for our friends at home, or anything else you want to show?
We had an extra piece of the eye.
Nice. So if you guys need an extra eye, just let us know. We'll send you one, right? Right.
No.
No? Oh, okay. All right. Well, I thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.
Bye.
Like and subscribe for more videos.
Bye.
Bye.